Oh, we real cozy today, y'all. We is real cozy. It is snow raining. Rain mixed with snow right now. Outside. Everything on the patio is got a coat of ice on it. And it's steadily falling. Like, you know what? It doesn't matter which way I turn in this room, y'all. It's still going to be bad lighting. So, good morning. Hey, how are you? Hopefully you're having a great day whenever you're watching this video. For me, this is day 3 of my tank setup watching video. Listen, I'm going to tell y'all something right now. If fish do not interest you, so you might want to come back and visit the channel at a later date, because this is my life. This fish tank is my whole life. And I'm still waiting for the temperature to get in the green before I bring in my new little fishies. I'm almost there though. Like, I'm literally almost there. I'm waiting on some fish stuff that we ordered from Amazon for both tanks. Just like chemicals and stuff. I think that's all we ordered. I think. And then I can go ahead and get my first round of little fishies to get my tank going. I'm so excited, y'all. Like, listen. Oh, mixed with outside weather conditions today and this tank and the ability to look right here to my left at that tank that's going great, by the way. How much better can life get at this point? Like, seriously. How much better can it get? And shout out to everybody who gives me fish mom advice. I appreciate it. I take all advice as it relates to my new hobby. I appreciate it. And for those of you that feels like that this room is getting crowded because I've added this tank. Who is it getting too crowded for? You? Or the person that live in it? I'm confused. Because, baby, it ain't enough stuff in here, to be honest with you. And ain't nothing coming out of this room because I love it. And that's the only person that it matters to, is the moi. Is that Amazon? And it is! Amazon! Literally just ordered this stuff yesterday. Honey. Fish moms running rampant. Who has ever been so excited about some chemicals before? Me, her, him. Yep, that's exactly what it is. Got some more Quick Start. 2 bottles of Quick Start, actually, 1 for each tank. I got some, what is this? Melafix treats bacterial infections, and then Primafix treats fungal infections for the fishies. 1 has tea tree oil. Girl, honey, we're gonna have some healthy fishies. Oh, an air pump, auto on powered air pump. Bubbles go on when power goes off. Honey, we gotta think about the fish, and if we have power outages and stuff. So excited. I don't know if y'all got hobbies, passions, you know, I don't know. But when you find it, whatever that is for you, it just sends you off into a whole other world. Like, for real though. I'm living my best fish mom life. Y'all want to see it? Want to see the tank today? Still looks the same as it did the last time y'all saw it, but at least we can look at it. There she go. There she go. Nothing in here. Yeah, let me check my water temperature real quick. Yes, indeed, honey. She got her magnifying glass. We are almost at 70 degrees. Oh, God, yes, it feels so much warmer than it did yesterday. Oh, my God, it was literally ice cold water coming out of the water hose. And I'm talking freezing. And Ron and I were in here trying to get these bubbles set up. I had to keep running to the sink in there to run warm water over my limbs. Like, he was submerged in here trying to hook all my bubbles up for me. I don't know how we did that. But this was so cold to touch, and it is definitely warming up. Oh, yes, that's warm. Oh, y'all. Y'all, it's about time to get some fishies. Hey, some fishies. Hey, some fishies. Hey, I'm excited. Like, this is my life right now. What else am I gonna do? I don't work nowhere. I don't work nowhere. This is my job, to maintain this tank. I ran my own chemical test last night after I put all the chemicals that I needed to put in here to get the city water prepared for the little fishies or whatever. And I did all my own tests because I need to learn that. And what else? Yeah, that's it. I mean, I'm just excited. Oh my God, to just put my little babies in here and sit in here and watch them. Look how calming this is. There ain't even nothing in there but the dang bubbles. That is calming and just beautiful. Just beautiful. Oh. Y'all just don't even understand. Or maybe you do understand, honey. I don't know. But what else am I going to do with my day? Okay, y'all. Today is the day. I'm floating all my new little baby fishies. Floating them in their new water. And we're going to see how this thing works out. This water is warm. I got some female betas. I still got my boy beta to put him in there, and some other hardy little fish to go in here. Oh, and 2 snails, of course. I'm excited. They're just doing their little float time, and then I'm gonna release them. Fish moms are us. I'm about to release the fishies into the water, but I'm gonna put, how I always transfer, I'm gonna put their water, I need some scissors, hold up, where's my, I gotta put their water into a different container and just take a little teeny bit of it, kept just like this much of their water, and we gonna let them go. Let them go, figure new life out, new spaces and places. I'm sorry, my phone died right in the middle of me doing a 30-minute transfer, but it's been probably 3 hours since I did that last clip, and I have been sitting here the entire time watching all my little fish get used to their new habitat, and just watching their behaviors, you know, seeing them calm down from all the things that were going on. I can't move, y'all. I literally cannot freaking move. Like, I'm stuck. And the wave maker is definitely helping with keeping them calm. I had some drama, y'all. I had some drama. So I told you guys I have 1 male beta in this tank, and then we have 1 male beta in the other tank. And I have 9 female betas in this tank. And that's the male all the way back there with the big fins on them. But I got some beautiful female betas that's got beautiful finnage. Anyway, they were, like, all the females were trying to follow him over here in this corner where he's headed to right now. And he was just backing them down, like, you know, y'all get out of my space or whatever. And they were literally, being females, annoying as hell, annoying this man. So I put this barrel that I was going to take back, I just dropped it down in this little, what is this thing called? A coliseum? I don't know. But I dropped it down in there as a hiding spot for him and any other fish that needs a good spot to hide. Plus, I know betas like to sleep like humans. So I put that there for him, but that was like 2 hours ago. So he's back there. Everybody's calm and doing their own thing. These fish right here, I have 3 of those, and I need 3 more because you're supposed to have a school of them, of 6 or more. And then those ones right there, I have 4 of those, so I need 2 more of that one right here to have a school for them. And they don't bother nobody. They just kind of like do their own thing or whatever. But I'm a beta mom for sure. I'm just not going to rest until I have a huge female sorority of the betas. But so far so good, y'all. Like, I can't move. Look at the quality. I'm giving you high quality right now. Like, I want you to feel like you're in the tank. That girl is a whole lunatic. She was at the top in that corner I just showed you, and she came whizzing down and crashed right here and just threw up all the rocks. The rocks were just coming up in the air. I'm like, girl, what is your deal? And occasionally she'll have these sprints around the tank, and then she'll just go back to being calm like this. Look how pretty her fans are. Look, she's snapping now. Girl, you crazy as hell. Tell you, man, I got a crazy beta. You cray. Yeah, you. They've eaten. I fed them once they calmed down and got kind of, you know, used to their spots or whatnot. And so in probably another 2 hours, maybe even 3, I'll run a test on the tank to, you know, check the levels, since we got some life going in here now, and see you know, what's going on with my levels. And that wave maker actually helps to push all the, you know, bad stuff toward the filter over here to get out of here. So that's a good thing. The wave maker is a good thing. Yeah, so anyway, that's my update. I can't wait for Ron to come home and see the tank is up and running. Y'all know I be making moves while he at the job site. I makes all my moves while he is there. So he gonna walk in here thinking, you ready to go get you some fish? You ready, ain't you? Little do he know, honey, the condo is getting there. Y'all stay tuned. Just stay tuned, honey. Auntie is in heaven. Look where I'm at. I ain't budge. I ain't moving, y'all. I can't get nothing done. Like, I'm just stuck. I'm just stuck. I don't know how you wouldn't be. So beautiful. Look how crystal clear the water is right now.